Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of brain-boosting nutrition. We're going to explore 7 scientifically proven foods that can supercharge your memory, sharpen your focus, and even protect your brain against cognitive decline. You might be surprised to learn that your brain is nearly 60% fat, and it craves specific nutrients to function optimally. If you're ready to unlock your brain's full potential and experience a noticeable boost in your memory, concentration, and overall mental clarity, stick around. Let's get started. First up, we're diving into the world of fatty fish like salmon, which is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Sardines and mackerel. These fish are swimming in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind. Omega-3s are crucial for optimal brain health, playing a significant role in cognitive functions and overall mental well-being. Think of omega-3s as the building blocks for your brain and nerve cells. They help in forming the cell membranes and are vital for cell signaling. They're crucial for learning and memory, making them indispensable for students and adults alike who want to keep their minds sharp. Omega-3s also act like firefighters in your brain, putting out inflammation that can lead to cognitive decline. This anti-inflammatory property is key to maintaining brain health. A study published in Neurology found that individuals with higher levels of omega-3s had larger brain volumes and better memory performance as they aged. This suggests that omega-3s can help preserve brain function over time. Not getting enough of these healthy fats has been linked to mood disorders and an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease. Ensuring adequate intake can be a protective measure against these conditions. Try grilling up some salmon and pairing it with leafy greens for a brain-boosting dinner. This combination not only tastes great, but also provides a powerful dose of nutrients. And if you're not a fan of fish, opt for a high-quality omega-3 fish oil supplement. These supplements can provide the necessary omega-3s without the need to consume fish directly, making it easier to maintain your brain health. Next up, we're talking about broccoli, the tiny tree that's a powerhouse for brain health. This humble vegetable is more than just a side dish, it's a brain-boosting superfood. It's jam-packed with vitamin K and antioxidants, making it a nutritional goldmine. Both of these nutrients are essential for keeping your brain sharp and functioning at its best. Vitamin K plays a critical role in forming sphingolipids, which are a type of fat found in high concentrations in brain cells. These fats are crucial for maintaining the structure and function of brain cells, ensuring they communicate effectively. Antioxidants like sulforaphane protect brain cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, a major culprit in brain aging. This means that regular consumption of broccoli can help keep your brain younger for longer. Studies have shown that people who consume more vitamin K tend to have better memory performance. This is particularly important as we age and our cognitive functions naturally decline. A study in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that sulforaphane in broccoli can help detoxify brain cells and reduce inflammation, which is linked to numerous neurodegenerative diseases. You can steam, roast, or even grill broccoli to retain its nutrients. Add it to stir-fries, soups, or casseroles for a delicious and healthy meal, or even blend it into smoothies for a nutrient-packed drink. Try adding broccoli sprouts to your sandwiches or salads for an extra nutrient boost. These sprouts are even more concentrated in nutrients than the mature vegetable, making them a fantastic addition to your diet. Let's talk about blueberries, those little blue dynamos bursting with brain-boosting benefits. They're packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that enhance communication between brain cells. These antioxidants protect your neurons from damage, keeping your brain healthy. Studies have shown that anthocyanins can improve memory retention by strengthening connections between neurons. They also combat oxidative stress in the brain, a major contributor to aging and cognitive decline. Blueberries support brain plasticity, essential for learning, forming memories, and recovering from brain injuries. A Harvard study found that people who regularly enjoyed blueberries had a slower rate of cognitive decline. Enjoy a handful as a snack, toss them into smoothies or yogurt, or sprinkle them on oatmeal or pancakes. Let's move on to turmeric, the golden spice with remarkable anti-inflammatory and brain-boosting properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, which can cross the blood-brain barrier and directly impact brain cells. Curcumin reduces inflammation, a major contributor to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. It also increases levels of BDNF, a growth hormone essential for enhancing memory and learning. A study in the Journal of Psychopharmacology found that participants who took curcumin supplements showed significant improvements in memory and attention span. Add turmeric to soups, curries, rice dishes, or smoothies for a flavor and brain power boost. Try golden milk, a soothing drink made with turmeric, warm milk, and honey. For a more concentrated dose, opt for a curcumin supplement. Number 9. Let's talk about coffee, the beverage that many of us rely on to jumpstart our mornings. Coffee's brain-boosting effects come from caffeine and antioxidants. Caffeine acts as a stimulant, blocking adenosine, a neurotransmitter that makes you feel tired. It also increases levels of dopamine and serotonin, neurotransmitters crucial for mood, motivation, and focus. Coffee is rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect brain cells from damage. A study in Nature Neuroscience found that caffeine can enhance long-term memory consolidation. Moderation is essential. 1 to 2 cups per day can provide cognitive benefits. Excessive caffeine consumption can lead to anxiety, insomnia, and other negative side effects. Enjoy your coffee, but be mindful of your intake. Let's talk about nuts, those bite-sized powerhouses packed with brain-boosting nutrients. Walnuts, almonds, and hazelnuts are nutritional gold mines for cognitive function. Nuts are an excellent source of healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for memory retention and brain health. They also provide vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects brain cells from damage. Nuts improve blood flow to the brain, ensuring a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients. A Harvard study found that women who regularly consumed nuts had better long-term memory performance. Keep a bag of mixed nuts on hand for a quick snack, or add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Try almond butter on whole grain toast for a brain-healthy breakfast or snack. Finally, let's talk about pumpkin seeds, small but mighty seeds that pack a serious punch for brain health. These tiny seeds are often overlooked, but they are a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly benefit your brain. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, and iron. These minerals are not just important for your overall health, but they play a crucial role in maintaining and enhancing brain function. Magnesium plays a vital role in learning and memory, regulating neurotransmitters for smooth communication. It helps in the transmission of signals between nerve cells, ensuring that your brain functions efficiently. Zinc supports nerve signaling, crucial for thinking, remembering, and concentrating. Without adequate zinc, your brain's ability to process information and recall memories can be compromised. Zinc also helps protect brain cells from damage. It acts as an antioxidant, shielding your brain cells from harmful free radicals and oxidative stress. Iron is crucial for transporting oxygen to the brain, leading to improved focus and cognitive performance. Adequate iron levels ensure that your brain gets the oxygen it needs to function at its best. A study in nutritional neuroscience found that people with higher magnesium levels perform better on memory tests. This highlights the importance of including magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds in your diet. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds on salads, oatmeal, or yogurt for a satisfying crunch. They not only add texture, but also boost the nutritional value of your meals. Add them to smoothies or homemade granola bars for a convenient nutritional boost. This is an easy way to incorporate these nutrient-dense seeds into your daily routine, or simply enjoy a handful as a snack for a brain-boosting energy boost. Whether you're at work, school, or on the go, pumpkin seeds are a perfect snack to keep your brain sharp and energized. So there you have it, 7 science-backed foods that can make a real difference in your memory, focus, and overall cognitive health. Remember, Your brain needs the right nutrients to function at its best. By incorporating these brain-boosting powerhouses into your daily diet, you can experience a noticeable improvement in your memory retention, focus, and mental clarity. Next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to stock up on these brain-boosting foods. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. What's your favorite brain-boosting food? Share in the comments below.